Okay, you guys, so look at this right here. You guys do not even need a coupon to get in on this deal. This is 4 for $9. You can either get 4 of these, you can mix it up. It's included, but unfortunately it looks like they're out at my store, at the second store that I came to. You guys, you can even include this Tide Simply. You do not need any coupons either to get in on that deal. 4 for $9, you guys, over here at Walgreens. And no, they are not paying me to advertise this. I just love to shop and show you guys some great deals. So if you run on out, get your deal, you know, you'll be satisfied with that. Here's some more deals right here, you guys. Cleaning products. Walgreens is always having a great deal. You just gotta catch them, you know, just catch them. You'll be fine. Those for bugs. So, again, thanks a lot, you guys, for watching, sharing, subscribing, and commenting. See you guys later. Peace.